Hi children, in the last class we started the lesson Who's Lazy Me, and today we are going to start a remaining part of the lesson. And Ralph Rabbit, now he is going to the giraffe. Rainy season is not too far away, and readily agreed what the giraffe said, what the Ralph said to the giraffe. Now all the timber were falling in the ground and we have to burn them. Yes, she burned off all the fallen timber. Giraffe burned all the fallen timber and wondering how little Ralph could manage to flatten so many trees single handedly. Yes, the elephant cleared the ground by uprooting the trees with his help of the body, trunk and body. And now all the timber were burned with the help of giraffe. And the rains came and the ground was ready for the sowing. Now the ground is ready for the sowing. Ralph went again to elephant and said, "If you do the sowing, I will do the hoeing." The next work is for elephant, sowing work. The Ralph said to the elephant, "If you do the sowing, I will do the hoeing." Is it? Next, this was easier than pushing down the trees. Yes, so elephant did that happily. The work has done. Sowing work now has done. Next, then Ralph went to Giraffe and said, "I have done the sowing. Now it's your turn to do the hoeing." The now Giraffe work is hoeing. Giraffe did that without complaining. Yes, Giraffe without any complaining did that work, hoeing work. Now Ralph is not doing any work. Ralph is giving to the works elephant and giraffe. Now Ralph kept a close watch as the corn grew nice and tall. The now corn is grew very nice and tall. When the golden cobs began to glisten in the sun, the golden cobs are glistening in the sun. He went to elephant and said, Again he went to elephant and said, "The corn is now ready. The corn is now ready. If you reap it means we have to cut it. I will gather it. If you reap it, he will gather it." He told, "But be careful." He said that elephant, if you reap it, he will gather it. Okay. But be careful, there's another animal called giraffe who loves ripe corn. He is telling that giraffe is very loves ripe corn, so be careful. She may steal it. The giraffe may steal it. Elephant kept a watch for the giraffe as he went about reaping the corn. Elephant kept very watching for the giraffe as he went about reaping the corn. When he is doing reaping work to the corn, he kept very watch to the giraffe. With his long tusk is there, no white tusks. With his long tusk, he has done the reaping work. But of the giraffe, he saw neither the neck or the nose. Next, then Ralph went to Giraffe and said, "I have reaped all the corn and now I am tired." He is telling to the giraffe, he has done the reaping work and he tired. It needs to be gathered. Now the corn needs to be gathered, but keep a lookout for the elephant and keep one eye to the elephant. He is sure to steal the cobs and he loves the cobs and he is sure to steal the cobs. He loves the corn so much. So Giraffe set about gathering the cobs and piled them into huge stacks. As he gathered all the cobs in the one place, but all the cobs while she caught to glimpse of the trunk or tail of the elephant. As the giraffe gathered all the cobs and Now the cops are in one place. Okay, children. Now the work is for, I think, the elephant, is it? So let us end of this lesson today. In the next class, we will start. Thank you. Have a nice day.